So this is the video that I'm actually gonna make and then edit and post on YouTube. Do it the real way so I can promote my channel. My 1986 Nissan 300ZX. It needs a turbo. So this is my first time ever experiencing a turbo fail, like personally. I've always heard, different things that they do. I've heard they lock up, blow a lot of smoke, oil, all kinds of stuff. Mine didn't lock up. I am using oil. Start the car up, and then we're gonna go out for a little drive, and I'm gonna let y'all hear this crazy sound that it makes. There you go. That is what a turbo failure sounds like. So I went ahead and brought it into the garage. I've already ordered the turbo. It should be here tomorrow. Hoping to be able to get it on tomorrow without it being too much of a pain. There's going to be some welding involved. It's part of having a old car or any car that's modified. Going to have to work on it when it breaks, because it will break. 100% guaranteed.